Remedial measures. Once the illness is identified or there is some infection which is identified due to the process of health screening, the doctors or the people who are the specialists to find out what is the cause and what is happening in the child's health life, they need to refer the child to some hospital or clinic. Remedial measures include remedial actions at school level and referral to laboratories and hospitals. So once the school comes to know, or the specialists who are carrying on the health screening, they come to know that there are some problems, there are some health issues with the child, then they need to include remedial actions such as sending the child to a laboratory for the tests and referring that are these symptoms which are identified in the child's health life. So they need to go to the hospital for treatment. Student health cards and transport facility for referral are provided. This is very important that the students have their health cards. So the name of the student, the age, the gender is written on that card, and this card can stay with the school for 10 or 11 years, and the health of the child can be followed up by looking at the history of the child. So whatever he is having, or he is going through any vaccination procedures, or he is going through any health screening or any remedial measures, all have to be written on the health card, so that this health card would be like a record of the child's health life. For documentation purposes, school register is maintained. Along with that, there is a school register which has to be maintained in order to keep the health record of the students in the school. The health card is provided to the student so that the student also has a record of his health, and when he needs to be referred to another hospital or laboratory, he carries his health card with him. And also, because of that health card, if God forbid he faces any accident or there are any issues that happen in emergency, this card can help him to tell the doctors about his health life history. Also, it is important that when the students are sent as referrals to laboratories and doctors' clinics or hospitals, they are provided with transport facility. Because in case the hospital or the laboratory is far away, it will be difficult for the child or the parent to reach there. So it would be recommended that the child must be given some sort of transport facility so that he can reach in time to the hospital or the laboratory to get his tests done and get his treatment done as well. Bigger schools are provided necessary basic equipment by the health department for health screening. Usually, there are some schools which are big and have a number of students which are very great. So the health department, they provide health screening facilities in the school. So by that, there is a nurse or a doctor appointed in the school, and all the equipment is there, and the doctor or the nurse carries on the health screening throughout the year and also keep a record in the school register. Whereas in the smaller schools, sometimes where the health screening facilities are not available, the school should be taking the students to some hospital by appointment. They can get their students' health screening done once a year at least, so that if any diseases are identified, they can inform the parents, and probably the parents can follow up later on with the disease treatment. And also, in that case also, the school should be maintaining a record. Even if they are taking their children to the hospital, still there is a need that the school staff is along with that team, and they also make a record of the students' health and all the monitoring that is being done, and about any identification of the disease if that is done during the health screening process. Also, the school needs to take care that when these students are referred to the laboratories and other clinics or hospitals, the school keeps a follow-up of that, whether they are being taken to those hospitals for treatment or not. And also, they must see to it that there is some transport facility provided by the school if the parents cannot afford to take the children. So it would be the best thing to do is to provide them transport so that they are able to visit the hospital and get the medicines and all the proper instructions for the cause of the illness that is there, and take all the precautions as well. So the health facility provided by the school would be then recorded by the school as well, to keep it as a record for the rest of the years the child is in the school. This would save them from any hassle of facing some serious illness, and also the attendance of the children in school will be very good because their health is being taken care of and there is no sick leave in the school.